Are you ready to capture the world in all its spectacular glory? Look no further than Canon, the brand that's practically made a pact with creativity itself. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior armed with nothing but a smartphone and a burning desire to nail that perfect shot, finding the right camera can feel like dating. You've got to swipe right on the features that truly match your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best Canon cameras that promise to elevate your photography game and help you make memories that aren't just frame-worthy, but Insta-perfect too. Let's snap to it. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpic.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Canon EOS R10. R5 for best budget Canon camera. If you're ready to dive into the mirrorless camera pool, the Canon EOS R10 is your perfect flotation device. Sure, it might have an older sensor, but with the supercharged Digic X chip under the hood, this camera transforms into a performance beast, especially when it comes to autofocus. Picture this: you're at a bustling event, and just as the action kicks off, you're nailing those perfect sharp shots. With a lightning-fast continuous shooting speed of 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, capturing those epic moments is a breeze. Now let's chat about low light. Sure, it doesn't come with in-body image stabilization, which might give you a teeny bit of anxiety during nighttime adventures, but don't worry. The EOS R10 still delivers stunning image quality, revealing details in shadowed areas that would make even the sun shed a tear of envy. Oh, and if you're pondering video, this little wonder handles 4K footage at 30 fps like a pro. Your YouTube channel's about to shine. Designed with you in mind, it features dual control dials and an autofocus joystick that practically begs for your creative flair. Its lightweight design feels just right for those transitioning from a DSLR. And the articulating touchscreen? Pure joy for framing shots, especially for fellow smartphone aficionados. So gear up! Your photography adventure begins with the EOS R10, and it's going to be one epic ride. Number 4. Canon EOS R5, our pick for best Canon camera for pros and high-res photos. If you're a wedding, event, or portrait photographer looking to level up your game, the Canon EOS R5 is your new best friend. With a mouth-watering 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, it doesn't just show up to the party. It steals the spotlight with stunning high-res images that are print-ready and ripe for cropping. Need speed? Hold on to your hats. The R5 zips along at up to 12 frames per second with excellent subject tracking, which means it's just as comfortable capturing the action at a wedding as it is at a thrilling soccer match. But wait, there's more. This beauty isn't just about stills. You'll be the star of the show with 8K video recording and slow motion tricks at 4K 120. Switching from the classic Canon 5D series to the R5? Piece of cake. Everything feels as natural as your favorite pair of shoes. Now, if video is your jam, don't miss the EOS R5C, engineered for filmmakers and ready to handle those long shoot sessions without melting down. Compact yet robust, it's just 3.8 by 5.4 by 3.5 inches and weighs only 1.6 pounds, perfect for your adventures. And with smart connectivity options like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, plus a 3.2-inch touchscreen, you've got everything you need to create captivating visuals that resonate long after the moment fades. Get ready to dazzle. Still searching for the perfect Canon camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Canon EOS R50, our pick for best Canon camera for beginners. If you're dipping your toes into the vibrant world of photography or vlogging, meet your new best friend, the EOS R50. This budget-savvy marvel is like having a personal trainer for your creativity. No gym membership required. With features designed for ease, you'll be snapping stunning photos and videos faster than you can say cheese. Let's talk about that AI-powered autofocus. It's basically like having a little assistant whispering in your ear, "Focus here." No more blurry selfies or shaky videos, just crisp, vibrant captures of life's best moments. And don't worry about your content getting lost in the social media shuffle. The full 4K video capabilities mean you'll be serving up cinematic quality that even your cat will appreciate. Now, if that wasn't enough to get you excited, the advanced A+ assist mode is your secret weapon. It's like having a magic wand that adjusts your settings for you so you can be an instant pro even if sorting through a sea of dials and buttons makes you break into a sweat. Thanks to its APS-C sensor, low-light shots will make you look like a wizard in shadowy spaces. You'll discover hidden details that you didn't even know existed, all without the grainy aftermath. So why not let the EOS R50 be your trusty sidekick? Embrace your inner artist, capture moments, and watch your creativity soar. Who needs the fancy stuff when you've got this gem by your side? Number 2. Canon EOS R7, our pick for best Canon camera for hobbyists. If you're an enthusiastic, snap-happy photographer on the hunt for your next camera soulmate, let me introduce you to the Canon EOS R7. This APS-C wonder doesn't just balance advanced features and affordability. It practically does a ballet across the tightrope of potential without breaking a sweat. One of its trickiest tricks? The dual-pixel Somos f2 autofocus system. It's so fast and reliable that you'll feel like you've got a personal assistant dedicated solely to tracking your next great shot, perfect for those split-second moments when time flashes before your eyes. But wait, it gets even juicier. How about a lightning-fast electronic burst speed of up to 30 frames per second? That's right. Your epic sports and wildlife shots will be so crisp your friends will feel like they're right there with you, dodging a charging rhino, or a sports star scoring a last-minute goal. And let's talk stabilization. The R7 offers up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization. Yes, you can finally shoot handheld while resembling a human rather than a tripod. Sure, low-light performance might not give full-frame models a run for their money, but it still leaves plenty of room for creativity. With 2 UHS 2 card slots and an articulating touchscreen that screams, "Hey, let's get dynamic!" Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, our pick for best Canon camera overall. Meet your new creative sidekick, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, your trusty partner in crime for all things photography and videography. With a stellar 24.2 megapixel resolution, every shot you take is going to be a jaw-dropper. And for those moments when you want to roll the cinematic credits, you can shoot stunning 4K video at a glorious 60 FPS. Quality? Check. Now, let's talk about the magic of advanced sensor shift stabilization. With a SEPA rating of 8 stops, this beauty lets you dance with long exposures and capture those enchanting low-light scenes without a hint of motion blur. Imagine shooting those twilight moments that make your heart flutter, without the fear of shaky hands ruining the moment. For all you aspiring Spielbergs out there, the R6 Mark II takes video to a whole new level, with high bitrate recording of up to 340 megabyte per second. Seriously, your videos will look so good, even your family will stop asking why you didn't pursue a real job. And the best part? This powerhouse is surprisingly affordable. It's like picking a unicorn in a field of horses. Who knew you could get this much creativity without breaking the bank? Whether you're freezing time or crafting cinematic magic, the EOS R6 Mark II is more than just gear. It's the creative companion you didn't know you needed. So go on, unleash your inner artist and let your imagination run wild. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best Canon cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Canon camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.